Welcome to Super Genius Teaching, where we're working hard to show you that math is easy. Super Genius rule number 4. Math has a lot of fancy words that mean really easy things. One of the most ironic things that I dealt with when I was teaching elementary school was in our spelling book. We were trying to teach the kids words like houseboat and could. Yet when we got to math, we had to deal with words like numerator and denominator, and intimidated quite a lot of my students. So that's why I just tried to teach them Super Genius rule number 4. Math has a lot of fancy words, but don't worry, they mean really easy things. My personal favorite word was quotient. The kids had the hardest time in the world trying to spell this, let alone understand it. It was freaking them out. I'm not sure if it was all the vowels or the Q or what was happening. But when I told them that all a quotient was the answer to a division problem, they go, well, why then can't I just say the answer to a division problem? And other than being the teacher and saying because I said so, I always tried to explain to them that math is just precise. They want to use specific words because they mean specific things in mathematical language. And I try and show them a group of words. The first one was quotient. That's the answer to a division problem. But I let them know they also knew some other fancy words that they learned earlier. They had product. And a couple of my kids could realize that that's right, a product. That's the answer to a multiplication problem. Most of my students actually knew what a difference was. And they realized, oh, and this is the answer to a subtraction problem. And by then, a lot of them can come up with the fourth word that they knew was going to be popping up, which was sum, because that's the answer to a addition problem. So, when you think about these words, don't let the fancy words fool you. They mean something very specific, and there'll be lots of them. Don't be afraid to get some flashcards, and just make sure to learn the words. Once you know what they mean, again, they will mean something very, very simple. So, Super Genius rule number 4. Math has a lot of fancy words, but don't let that bother you. They all mean something really easy. Thanks for watching. We enjoy making math look easy. If you enjoyed it also, please subscribe to our channel.